Okay, I spoke with some litigation trial suit attorneys. I look horrible. They don't, it's by the book. I have to go to the doctor, prove this toxic fumes, it's not fumes, it's fucking illegal military gas. The military that flies over this house all the time already knows this. I knew this too, but it was like confirmed. So there's two cases, and that's why I wanted to do this all at once with a lawyer, a few lawyers. It'll go there when they start to prove what is sickening me. So I have to schedule an appointment with a doctor pronto. It's not me, I know that. I already got a physical. I'm not going to get into this. Okay, so look, I know it's not me. I have to find a doctor that's not a charlatan in the city. We'll see who. I have to prove by experts coming in here, which means I would call back this law firm. I should probably keep this law firm, just keep them because they were talking to me for an extended amount of time. I have to prove by getting experts. Once I prove there's something, a toxic fume, there's toxic stuff in me, the doctor will then send an expert, the lawyer, I'll have the lawyer, I'll call back the lawyer. Look, I am definitely being poisoned. We're going to get some experts in here. We're going to do this. It's going to take at least 3 weeks for that. At that point in time, I don't know what these criminals are going to be doing. They're just trying to have a frenzy by removing all the evidence. There's cubby holes they constructed all over this place. Don't forget how much I've witnessed in here. Criminal fucking witness. For 4 years, and they're just trying to wipe it clean. They try to write my life for me. This is really upsetting. This is all, you could sue for this. I know that. But we got to start proving this. And the reason why we can't prove any of this is because these agents can't search and raid this house. Back when everybody was still alive here, that man and that female upstairs, this place was rancid with everything that I documented. Just look at my account. Now everybody's dead. It's got probable cause and suspicion and all the above, but yet nobody searches. I'm still in here being harassed every day by the same ISIS terrorist cell. My guidance from God, because that's all I have, is whatever you do, do not talk to that woman who is texting you. Do not speak to her. I do not know this woman, what her story is, what kind of crap she's involved in. She's worse than the man who died in the basement. Or where did he die? Where's his death certificate? They're all such liars here. Just start proving everything you say, you fucking creeps. All right. Because I've been here for 4 years and the guy never had a business license and all this crime and just on and on and on and on, I have to get an attorney. I cannot file this just on my own. I can file. I'm not stupid. I have an associate's in criminal justice. But that's it. That's where it stops with me. I am not an attorney, and anyone with sense in their head would know you need to get a lawyer for this one. Now I'm in here all by myself. Still no one's talking to me. Still no one's searching this house. They constructed fucking holes in the walls to go to the house next door in here. You hear it. I heard them be constructed, and I documented it, coming and going like it was Grand Central. But nobody searches this house, never. And every day I'm getting filled with fumes. But nobody comes and searches this house. I'm the one, the victim here, that's got to go to the doctor, prove I'm getting lit with toxic fumes, then bring experts in. Do you hear this? That's what the lawyer just said to me. I have to bring experts in here on my own because the right individuals who are like law enforcement, whatever these agents are, can't do that themselves. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to stall this in the courts through tenant court. I'm going to stall this, all right? And I'm going to give myself time to prove that I was poisoned with the fumes. Maybe either this will be two things. The fact that I'm going to prove I'm being poisoned with these illegal fumes will get them to stop using them. And if they don't, then they're so crazy here and so convinced that nothing can stop them that we'll just have to see, and I'll keep uploading this every day. So there'll be essentially two lawsuits going. There'll be the tenant court lawsuit, but there's still damages with that. And I want my money back type of people's court thing. This guy robbed me blind for 4 years and put me in such a dangerous situation. I want my money back. All right, so I'm going to go to court over this. And this sort of things I'm saying right now, you cannot take on yourself. Now, don't forget, I've been so traumatized in here since I started hearing women being killed on October 6th, year 2020, that I now talk like I'm from the street corner. I'm not happy about it. I used to have excellent command of the English language. You wouldn't have been able to tell that I only had an associate's degree. You would have thought easily bachelor's, maybe master's if I was on a good day with my full command of English language. Just listening to me talk was very eloquent. I spoke well. Not anymore. I am so injured after living here. I am not living here in a cab, having more ISIS send me text messages, watching and filming them run all over a terror cell with fumes, with stuff I still haven't talked about that I witnessed 24/7, with who knows what they did under the floors, with cubby holes. This is outrageous. Okay, goodbye.